So anyway, here I'm with my my good friend, my new friend, Randy, and I just want to take a minute and do a quick little piece on this beautiful motorcycle. This is what is it, Randy? It's a 2000
Kawasaki Voyager.
You want to tell us a little bit about the bike?
It's 1700, and it's weighs like 875 pounds, and it's doing me right.
How long have you had it?
Since 2015. It's got like a little over 20,000 on it. It's a good ride.
So tell us a couple of things that you like about it the most, and a couple of things, we all have a couple of things about the bike that, we would prefer to, just a couple of each.
Well, it's a 6-speed with an overdrive. It gets like 42 miles to the gallon on the freeway in overdrive. It's got a lot of room. It's comfortable. Changed the seat on it. Put a Corbin on it.
That is a really nice seat.
I think the only thing I'm going to do next is change the horn and make it louder.
Okay. Okay.
Otherwise, it's been really good. It's got cruise control, automatic turn signals.
Looks like is that a 6-gallon tank?
It's 4.5.
It is. Wow,
Yeah.
It looks bigger than that.
No, and it's I think I mentioned it was a 1700 twin. It's got Bluetooth and everything.
Well, I hope this video is coming over all right. It's really breezy here, and if it is, I apologize about the wind, but I just wanted you to see this baby. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous bike.
Yeah, they made it nice. They did a good job.
Oh, I love this. Yeah, look at that seat. Wow. So this is 1,700 cubic inches.
Yeah.
Kawasaki, baby.
Been a good bike.
Kawasaki.
Been up in Tennessee.
Yeah?
That's that windy road they have up in
Oh, the tail of the dragon. Look at this.
Yeah.
He's been on the tail of the dragon. Awesome. Well, it looks like a good running bike.
Yeah, low maintenance. That's what I like.